Just out of the Clearing and Settlement Tech session here at the SIFMA Tech event in New York. It was very interesting to hear some of the updates, particularly from the DTCC and some of their clients, around some of the initiatives that they're working on at the moment. A couple of interesting ones were on universal trade capture, which I think actually will give the opportunity for the US market to revisit the T+2 option and seeing where they could actually reduce their settlement cycle to a T+2 environment. This is happening in a couple of other markets, Germany being a prime example, where they're looking at T+2. This could give them a competitive advantage over the US market. So I think it's very important that with these new initiatives, we give the US the opportunity to revisit this and actually become a leader in this area as well. Also interesting to talk, they were talking about the corporate action re-engineering, brought on a client to talk about that and to give an update from a client's experience of how that's going to improve their operation, particularly within corporate actions. Again, they can see a level of the standards that are being introduced by the DTCC, them bringing a market leader from a global perspective on this particular initiative, bringing in SWIFT and XBRL, and that's going to really improve the SDP and reduce a lot of the interpretational risk on the announcement of corporate actions and the details of the corporate action. One thing that was great to hear was that the DTCC are now going to be the ones issuing the unique corporate action ID. This is fantastic from the perspective of it will give everybody a single ID for the corporate action, and again will take away from the interpretational issues whereby them not knowing what the corporate action should be, whether it should be linked to the same corporate action, whether it's a new corporate action. All is going to be really taking away that ambiguity that is suffered in the market today.